Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Flex hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the floorboard. Give it a firm pull, and you'll hear a click as the primary latch disengages. The hood will then pop up just a little bit, indicating it's ready for the next step. This initial action is crucial for accessing your engine bay. Now walk to the front of your Ford Flex. You'll need to reach under the slightly raised hood right in the center to find the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open accidentally. Gently push or slide this latch and the hood will fully release, allowing you to lift it completely. It's a simple step, but essential for safety. With the secondary latch released, you can now carefully lift the hood all the way open. Look for the metal prop rod, usually located on the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Take the prop rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the vehicle's frame. This ensures the hood stays safely open while you work, preventing any accidental closures. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back in its original clip. Gently lower the hood until it's about 10 to 12 inches from fully closing. From this height, let the hood drop, allowing its weight to engage the latch. Give it a firm press down in the center to ensure it's completely latched and secure. Also, check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money and other deals. Always double-check that the hood is fully closed before driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.